In today's video, I'll be showing you how to block someone on your Samsung Galaxy A24. So first, open the contacts, or you can just simply access phone, and then under phone, select contacts. So once you're in your contacts list, look for a number you'd like to block. So tap on it like that, and then tap on this details icon here. So once you've pressed on the details icon, you should see a list of tools at the bottom of the screen. To block someone, what you need to do is tap on this more option, and then you should see the option block contact appearing. So just tap on it to block the contact. Then you'll be asked if you really want to block the contact and that you will no longer receive any calls or messages from this contact. So if you're fine with those terms, just press on block contact and your contact is blocked. If you want to block another contact, it's the same thing. Just tap on the contact information icon, more, then block contact. To unblock a contact, just do the reverse of what you've done, then unblock contact. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.